This is FlipTV News. Senate President Godswill Akpabio has filed a fresh 200 billion naira defamation lawsuit against Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, deepening tensions within the 10th Senate. The suit, filed at the FCT High Court before Justice U.P. Kekemeke, accuses Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan of making false, malicious and injurious statements that allegedly portrayed Akpabio as a sexual predator, exposing him to public ridicule and contempt. Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan confirmed the development in a post on Facebook where she shared the court document. She said the new lawsuit gives her the long-awaited opportunity to defend her allegations before the Senate Committee on Ethics and Privileges, a chance she claimed was previously denied. The Senate President is seeking monetary damages, public retractions, and broadcast apologies across major media platforms. The court had earlier granted an order for substituted services after bailiffs failed to serve her directly. The documents were delivered through the clerk of the National Assembly. Responding, Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan declared she is ready for trial, insisting she will prove her claims of sexual harassment and what she described as subsequent political intimidation. The legal battle is the latest flare-up in a long-running dispute between both lawmakers. Earlier this year, Akpoti-Uduaghan was suspended for 6 months after a confrontation on the Senate floor, a period she described as politically motivated. Her return in September came after long legal hurdles and alleged resistance from Senate leadership. As the lawmakers prepare for face-off in court, the clash has reignited nationwide debate and is shaping up to be one of the most consequential political shutdowns in recent Senate history. For more verified political updates and breaking news stories, stay with FlipTV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.